want to do today, I want to bring out a car that you haven't really seen yet, but maybe on the trailer of an episode on the tail end there when I do the thanks for watching thing. And it's been parked in one of the other garages over there, just quietly, not talk much about it. It's not my car. Well, happy Sunday, everybody, and welcome to a very special episode of My Car Shop. Decided today to take it a little bit easy, not working in the shop today, kind of just enjoying the fact that the shop is organized, which is nice. I know it won't stay that way once I get back to things. Still basking in the glory of having the fenders on the 47 after 11 years. Just amazed that that's finally done. Kind of really itching to get at putting some of the components on the front, but I know we've still got to wheel out those fenders and get them sanded and wheeled out. So if I do put things on, which knowing me, I probably will, they'll only be finger tight and so forth, and have to come back off again to get it wheeled out. But I'm really just anxious to see what that looks like. Really thinking that I'm going to drive it just like that this summer and concentrate on getting it on the road and not worry about the hood till next winter. But what I want to do today, and with permission, I want to bring out a car that you haven't really seen yet, but maybe on the trailer of an episode on the tail end there when I do the thanks for watching thing. And it's been parked in one of the other garages over there, just quietly, not talk much about it. It's not my car. Did some of the original work on putting it back together again to the point that it could be restored because it was totaled, it was collision damaged. And so I'll post a picture after this intro of what it looked like. This is my son's 1969 Charger. It hasn't been out of the garage since last fall. I pulled it over there. It used to be sitting right where my 68 GTS is. And the car is gorgeous. It's much better than this 47 Ford. And I've been concerned about something happening to it, especially with me working out here a lot more than I was for a while there. But it needs to come out. It hasn't had the cover off of it. It hasn't seen the light of day since last fall. So we're going to get a battery. We're going to put it in there. We're going to fire the thing up and back it out. So we'll just put the camera going and let you watch what happens, because I have no idea, but I'm sure it's going to be great. So rock on. Welcome to this episode of My Car Shop. Okay, so it's been parked for quite a while, so I'm not sure what we're going to run into, but I'm going to pull the air cleaner off, see if there's still any fuel residual in the carburetor bowl. I'm guessing not. It's dry. No surprise. I'm going to have to get a little gas to dump in there, so I'll be right back and we'll get that done. Okay, let's see if we can dump way too much gas in here now. Okay, it's one of those silly safety can things. I remember how they work. Apparently that's not how it works. Let's do it differently. Okay, that should work. Hopefully enough to get it fired up so that the fuel pump starts drawing from the tank. Let's close the choke down partially. I could fill the bowls, I suppose, but don't want to. Put this down somewhere where I won't ruin it. Okay, here we go. so good. We just ran out of gas. Oh.
Sticking out of the backside of my
Can you go to the back of the barn and get the gas can from on the mower? The gas can is on the lawnmower. Can you please go get it? Like an idiot. I took it back there last night. Oh, I'll put it back there. Now I need it up here. I think we got something else going on.